To start the bunny flower pot, you'll need to use the magic loop to crochet the first round. Begin by holding the yarn end with your right hand and spreading out your left hand. Wrap the yarn around your left pinky finger, then bring it to the front from behind your index finger. Next, wrap the yarn around your middle finger and pinch the intersection with your thumb. Hold the crochet hook and insert it into the loop on your fingers. With the hook, pull the yarn through the loop. Keep your left thumb still, continuing to hold the intersection. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through the loop on the hook. This completes the initial stitch, which doesn't count as a stitch. Next, crochet 6 single crochet into the loop. Insert the hook into the loop, ensuring both strands of yarn are above the hook. Pull the yarn through the loop and wrap it around the hook. Pull the yarn through both loops on the hook to complete a single crochet. Then, attach a marker below the first V-shaped stitch completed. Continue crocheting the remaining single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet, fifth single crochet, and sixth single crochet. Count to confirm there are 6 V-shaped stitches, starting from the marker 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once confirmed, tighten the loop to form a circle. Adjust until there are no gaps in the middle. Hook the second round on the magic loop just learned. In the second round, hook 6 increases, which means 2 single crochets in one hole. Remove the stitch marker, insert the hook into the hole, and wrap the yarn. Pull the yarn out of the hole and wrap it around the hook again. Pull the yarn through the 2 loops on the hook. Replace the stitch marker on the completed single crochet. Continue to single crochet in the same hole. This completes the increase. Continue with the second increase, single crocheting in the next hole, and then single crocheting again in the same hole to complete the second increase. Follow the same steps for the remaining increases, the third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Start crocheting the third round, just like the second round, by increasing in each hole. Similar to the second round, move the stitch marker to the left side. Insert the hook under the V-stitch where the stitch marker is placed. Begin single crocheting. And after completing the single crochet, remove the stitch marker, then place it on the single crochet just made. And continue single crocheting in the same hole. This completes the increase. Continue with the second increase, single crocheting in the next hole, and then single crocheting again in the same hole to complete the second increase. Follow the same steps for the remaining increases. As the number of stitches will increase with each round, it's important to count the stitches after each round to ensure accuracy. In this round, there are 12 increases, with 2 single crochets in each hole, totaling 24 V's. Start counting from the stitch marker 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Round 4 sequence. Single crochet in the first 2 holes, 2 single crochets in the third hole. Repeat this pattern 8 times. This round consists of a total of 32 stitches. Start by single crocheting twice. 1, 2. In the next hole, increase. Single crochet once, then single crochet again in the same hole to complete the first set. Repeat for the next set. Single crochet twice. 1, 2. In the next hole, increase. Single crochet once, then single crochet again in the same hole to complete the second set. Follow this pattern to complete the remaining 6 sets. Round 5 involves single crocheting in each stitch, totaling 32 stitches for this round. Here, you'll be crocheting through the back loops only, abbreviated as BLO, which refers to the loops away from your body. Start by removing the stitch marker and begin single crocheting in the back loop of each stitch. Insert your hook into the back loop of the stitch. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the stitch. Continue to yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. Replace the stitch marker on the completed stitch. Continue single crocheting in the back loop of each subsequent stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. Round 6-11 make a single crochet stitch in each hole, for a total of 32 stitches in each round. Round 12. First, make 12 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Confirm whether there are 12 single crochet stitches. Count from the marker here. Start crocheting the ears. Refer to the diagram, Fuchi, SC, 4HDC. First, look at the 5 each. CH stands for chain stitch. Learn how to crochet a chain stitch first. Wrap the yarn around the hook, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. This is how you make a chain stitch. Then crochet the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and confirm whether there are 5 chain stitches. Next is SC, which means single crochet. Crochet 1 single crochet. Counting down from the V above, insert the hook into the second loop from the top and start crocheting. Insert the hook into the middle of the V. Wrap the yarn around the hook, pull the yarn through the hole. Wrap the yarn around the hook again, and pull it through the 2 loops on the hook to complete the single crochet. Finally, HDC 4 times. HDC stands for half double crochet. Start learning how to crochet a half double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook. There are now 2 loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the next hole. Wrap the yarn around the hook, pull it through the hole. There are now 3 loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn around the hook again. Pull it through all 3 loops on the hook, leaving 1 loop on the hook. This completes 1 half double crochet. Continue crocheting the remaining stitches. Wrap the yarn, insert it into the next hole. Wrap the yarn again, pull it through the hole. Wrap the yarn again. Pull it through all loops on the hook, completing the second half double crochet. Continue with the third one. Wrap the yarn, insert it into the next hole. Wrap the yarn again, pull it through the hole. Wrap the yarn again, pull it through all loops on the hook, completing the third half double crochet. For the fourth half double crochet stitch, insert the hook into the middle of the single crochet. Wrap the yarn, insert it into the middle of the single crochet. Wrap the yarn again, pull it through the hole. Wrap the yarn again, pull it through all loops on the hook. This completes 1 ear. Then move on to 1 SK. SK means skip, meaning skip 1 stitch without crocheting. 1 SK means skip 1 stitch. When you see 6 Etsy, you need to crochet 6 single crochets. Start crocheting from the second stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Crochet another ear using the same steps as the first one. First, crochet 5 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start crocheting from the second to last V in the middle. First, crochet 1 single crochet, 1. Then crochet 4 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at 1 as K, skip 1 stitch. Then, when you see 11 as C, crochet 11 single crochet. Start crocheting from the second stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pull the loop to be the same length as the crochet hook and then cut it in the middle. Here, we also need to close the circle. Thread the yarn through the yarn needle, remove the marker, and count 1, 2. Insert the yarn needle under the second V and pull it out. Then pass it through the middle, and under the last V, pull it out and tighten the yarn to create a new V. This completes the circle. Next, hide this portion of the yarn by threading the yarn needle under the back side of this V, pass through several stitches, then pull it out. Cut off the excess yarn to finish. Install the eyes between rounds 3 and 4, counting from the top down as 1, 2, 3, 4. Place them in the middle, 6 stitches apart from each ear. You'll notice that there is a skipped stitch between rounds 3 and 4 when you spread the ears apart. Insert the eyes into the corresponding holes opposite this skipped stitch. Counting from the eye towards the left, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and insert the second eye after the 6th stitch. Turn the flower pot over, take out the gasket and fasten it with the small end first. Then press it with both hands and do the same with the other one. Take out the black yarn, cut it to the same length as 2 crochet hooks, and thread the yarn through the needle. Sew the nose on the outside between the 2 stitches in the middle of the eyes. Start sewing from this hole. The needle passes through the hole from the inside, leaving a short length of yarn. Count 1, 2, 3 from this hole, pass through the 3rd hole, and then pull out. Insert it from the back into the 2nd hole. Here, the yarn just sewn should be placed on top. Finally, count down 1, 2, and insert the needle into the 2nd hole. Tighten and adjust, then flip to the back side. Tie the 2 ends of the yarn into a knot, and then cut off the excess yarn. Use the end of the needle to poke the excess yarn in, and you are done.